welcome to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Forex and this is raw price action reading for the coming week. Without further ado, let's quickly go to market recap and what has been happening in market so far throughout last week. As at last week, Monday, when market opened, which was this week, there was Trump effect on every market, most of the major market, and there was a market jump, because in the far time frame, yes, the Trump effect, this was Trump effect. This jump here was Trump effect. And as a result of that market jump, those who were in the market throughout the weekend of last week, market jump from here to here. It was one of the most brutal market gap of all time, because almost 120 pips within less than 5 minutes of market opening. And that is exactly one of the high level of risk of holding trade during weekend, because anything can happen within the week, which can cause massive profit to be in massive loss. And if you are lucky enough, sometimes massive loss to massive profit. So after the Trump effect, market need to close this gap. So after Trump effect, market need to close this gap. And what happened? Market begin to buy back to close the gap. And as we are speaking right now, market was able to break this structure. And this structure now, and this is exactly what happened. So market begins to buy back, and at Fibonacci of 0.618, which is golden ratio, market push back. But this pushback could not last for a long time, because there was a non-farm payroll. There was a non-farm payroll yesterday, and that non-farm payroll had to push the market back. This buy side was pushed back by non-farm payroll. And yes, all this red here was non-farm payroll. So as a result of that, now market is in range, is in sideways market from here to here. So there was no form of higher high or higher low. So the best thing to do is to now zoom out. Let's go to daily time frame and see what market is doing right now. So what market is doing now is simple. So since this buy side, market was able to hold it at 0.618. For any form of short at all, this 0.618 must be broken. So if market break this key level next week, so now this will be a perfect setup, because if market can break this key level, it simply means that market is coming here, and from here then the sell side continue. But if market could not break this key level in daily time frame or 4-hour time frame, and there is a reversal candlestick somewhere around here, if market decides to sell back, then what simply means is that the sell side has resumed, that GBP USD is about to change structure from the selling side to buying side completely, because this market has been selling since September 25. This market has been doing lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, could not do lower low. So which means that this structure has been broken here already. But anything can happen, because it's supposed to be lower low, but market could not break it due to Trump effect, and here we are. So which means that as at here, this structure has been broken, but we cannot know yet, because the structure can still be a continuation of structure, because market can decide to come here and retest and now drop this market extensively. So But this key level is extremely important, and especially this key level for here for now. Let's forget about here. This one is extremely important. So whatever market we do at this key level, it will be a determinant factor of what will be happening in the market in the next 2 weeks. Because if market rejects this key level, if this support level is able to hold itself, it simply means that GBP USD is now officially resumed for buying side, at least to this key level. Yes, it simply means that market is now ready for buy side. And once market can break this key level and buy to this key level, then it means that almost at least for the next 6 months of market will be buying extensively. And these are what, so now I heard. So it means that these key level are very, very important. Important. So these key level are valid key level that hold a lot of meaning. So the most important key level here is somewhere here. This neckline. Once market break it next week, it means that this key level fail to hold because this market is already at 0.618 of this Fibonacci of this buying side. This is the 50% ratio. So if market can break it back again, then it simply means that the selling side continue. But if market could not break it and there was a bounce back in 4-hour time frame, once there's any bullish engulfing candlestick, engulf this candle and break this trend line, it simply means that the selling side has begun. But until that time, the best thing to do is to be patient, hold your hand, and do nothing. Like I usually say, it's one of the highly skillful, one of the most important skill you must have as a profitable trader is patience. You cannot click buy and sell button anytime you feel like. You need to be patient and let market show you what it's doing per time. And right now, we'll be waiting to see what market will do. So market reaction at this key level will be a determinant factor because if market can break this 0.618, then GBP USD is coming to this key level. And if market is coming to this key level, the best thing to do for short is to bring out support resistance level. Yes, because I love perfect entry setup. This is 1 hour time frame. So if market can break this support level and retest it, so if market can break this support level and retest it, I mean, if market decide to break this support level and retest in 1 hour time frame, then we should be expecting full sell side liquidity around here. And how many people is this? This is and now this is 115 pips. Nice setup. But until market breaks this key level and retest, which is this 50% of this movement, the 50% of this movement is here. Yes, this is the previous Fibonacci key level. So this 50% movement, you need to wait it out. So waiting it out is the most important things to do. So if market can break it again, then the sell side continue extensively. And market can decide to come to this key level, form double bottom, and now the bullish market can now begin. But until that time, you cannot click anything. So market reaction at this key level is extremely important next week on GBP USD. But if market cannot break this key level and there was a buying pressure, and that buying pressure, if this resistance level hold in 4 hour time frame, then the perfect place to buy is after here. Because if market can break this neckline, some here, once market can break this place, then it's safe to buy. it means that the sell side, the buying side has continued one more time. But until that time, you cannot click buy or sell button. So which means that for the first 24 hours of market opening, the best thing is to be patient and let's see what market will do. That is what we have for GBP USD. Let's see what is happening in Euro USD also. This is Euro USD and daily time frame. On daily time frame, what happened is exactly the same thing. Trump effect also in Euro USD market jumped from here to here and there was a fill gap. Market had to fill the gap back, break it. But in the midst of breaking it, now this is also 0.618 of Fibonacci key level. Market market was not able to break the 0.618 of golden ratio. And right now, market is consolidating. This one is even obvious. It's now consolidating in golden ratio. So the consolidation here is important. So the formation of candlestick here will be a determinant factor. If in this coming week also, if market break this support level also in Euro USD, then it means that the selling side has continued. Because let me delete the Fibonacci so that you can see very well. If market can break this support level one more time in this coming week, it simply means that the sell side continue, at least the first profit will be here. Yes, so it means that the sell side continue and market bearish are still in the market. So, but in daily time frame also, there is a the buying side also, but right now in EU, until this key level is extremely important. If this key level hold, we can simply say that the buying side is about to start. But if market break this key level, then until market reach this key level, before we can know what to do at all. Because if market could break this key level until it reach here, the best thing is to come and wait for market reaction here. And market reaction will be a determinant factor whether this market selling side will continue or market will hold here. But right here, the selling pressure is extremely high. Yes, in EU. So the best thing is to wait, find the perfect entry in 1 hour time frame. If you are finding it difficult, just wait. Let market break this key level and retest. If this market break this support level and retest and turn into resistance, then stop loss can now be at the back of here, while take profit will be here. And that will be a perfect A setup for the coming week. And you can now hold or decide to take profit here and be patient again to see what market will do here. But if this key level hold and market begins to buy, then it simply means that the direction of the market is about to change because market can decide. Because if this key level hold, what it simply means is it's not perfect yet. Yes. So it means that this trend line hold one more time because market can decide to come to this key level, retest here, and the sell side will continue. That is why in order not to be trapped, let market break this trend line, break this support level, turn it to resistance before selling. But it's about buying. Let market this key level hold it. If this support level can hold it, this diagonal trend line hold it, then this support level also hold. Then it simply means that market is buying. But if it could not hold and market break it and retest, there's the sell side for EU can continue. And until that time, the best thing is to be patient in order to understand what market will do. So one more thing, let me quickly go to one of my favorite pair, US30. This is US30 also in daily time frame, and this was the effect of non-farm payroll also. And the Trump effect also affected this market. This was Trump effect, and market fill the gap back, and because US30 is already on all-time high, this one is a dangerous market. It's not a child's play at all. The best thing to do on US30 most of the time is to be patient. You cannot succumb to your impulse. You cannot. It's a very, very dangerous market, extremely volatile. The the best entry setup for this market is to come and wait a minimum of 4 time frame. Yes. So for perfect entry, the best thing is to wait, because this market here, this support level here is a valid support level. Yes. So, but there's another support level here. So, which means that uh, even if someone enters here, which is minor support, you still need to be very careful, because it will be a trap, because one can decide to come to this key level and continue the sell side. But even if it is, this gap here is still wide. If market break here, how many pips US30 is in another level? Yes. Just from here to here is 413 pips. So if you are looking for very sharp entry setup, if market can break this resistance, support level and this trend line, then looking for a setup can now be possible in 1 hour time frame. But most of the time, US30 is a very, very bullish market. So the best thing to do for this market, either to short, to buy or sell, for US30, most of the time is to leave this here. Let market come to this place. If market can retest at this key level, then the buying side will be massive. But if market break this key level and come to this side, then it means that US market is changing structure completely. But until that time, is for now, to me anyway, to me this market is, there is an entry anyway in 1 hour time frame, but it's not that a setup, because it's not that a setup. Though market holds, so this resistance level is valid, yes, but it's not that I don't like this setup, because this setup is full of manipulation. Market can decide to just buy small and break this key level. So the best thing is to come to 4 hour time frame, to come and wait for what this market will do, because at least in 4 hour time frame you will be able to see clearly. But the best thing is to come to daily time frame and watch, because when you can watch in daily, when you find the perfect entry setup in daily time frame, is an advantage. It makes your trade easier, because if you can find an entry here for buy setup, that market will be massive. It means that market is coming to break here and to infinity, because this is new zone completely. But if market could not hold here and here, then it means that the selling side is imminent. It's already around the corner. So that is what I have for you guys on UH30, because if market can break this key level and here, it simply means that market is about to change structure. So, but until next time, so that's all I have on UH30. Thank you for watching Thank you for watching to the end. If you have not subscribed before, please click your subscribe button, drop a comment below, and let us know what you enjoy. Till I come your way again next time, be safe.